Today's video is going to be very interesting. A lot of people keep looking to buy like affordable category laptops under 25,000 rupees, right? Maybe you just joined college and you're looking for a budget laptop for your coding, programming, education purpose, or for your basic home needs or office needs also. You people came to the right video, guys, because today in the house we have a brand new laptop from Infinix. It's their all new Inbook series Y1 Plus Neo laptop, and it was just recently launched in the Indian market, guys. And when I saw the specs of this thing, I was like, what the heck is going on? This laptop pricing starts at only around like 23,999 rupees, and for this price the brand is giving you like a 15.6-inch 1080p IPS level display, full metal body design, premium look and feel. Intel ka quad core CPU you're getting, PCI SSD is also there on board and whatnot. So this is what I'm like really excited to unbox and show it to people in this video. Infinix brand new Inbook Y1 Neo Plus came in this sort of box packaging. Nothing is very similar to their other Infinix laptops. You just have the model number mentioned on the front, and going to the back, here you've got all the specs and details. By the way, this laptop is available in like 3 different color variants. You get like blue, silver and a gray sort of finish. Today in the house we have the silver edition, and it's available in 2 storage configurations. You get 8 plus 256 and 8 plus 512 GB edition. We have the 8 plus 512 GB edition, guys. And talking about the specs, this particular laptop, as I've told you, comes with a 15.6 inches 1080p full HD IPS level display and offers up to like 250 nits of brightness. Plus, keeping that aside, full on metal body, guys. If you talk about the CPU, you're getting Intel's newest 11th gen Celeron CPU that has like 4 cores and 4 threads. And there's actually, a lot behind this CPU. I'll even compare it to the current market competition in this price segment, and we'll be talking about the performance, everything in this video. As I've told you, storage and RAM to 8 plus 512 GB you're getting, and you're also getting like a 1080p webcam as well on board. So these were all the main specs and highlights. So let me quickly unbox the package and show you what do we have over there. There's nothing much to unbox over here. So in the package you get this brand new Infinix Y1 Neo Plus laptop, plus you're also getting like a Type-C 45 watt PD fast charger and a Type-C to Type-C cable included in the package. That's it. These are all the stuff. Now let me give you like a closer look at the laptop and first talk about the design and the build quality, man. So if you talk about the design, Infinix Y1 Neo Plus has a very beautiful look and feel, guys. I mean, it nowhere looks like an affordable 23,000 rupees laptop. I mean, look at this thing. Entire body is made of like aluminum alloy, guys. Full on metal body and looks very premium for this price point. I love this sleek brushed aluminum sort of finish at the center as well. Two-tone design you're getting. One is a matte sort of finish and the other is like a full metal sort of experience with the Infinix logo at the center. Good thing is the laptop top panel doesn't even attract any fingerprints. The color also adds to that. Very beautiful looking color. Now if you talk about the size, definitely 15.6 inches laptop here, definitely big in size. And if you ask about the weight, pretty decent, I would say. Lightweight only. It's only around like 1.76 kgs, guys. You can easily throw it in your backpack and carry it anywhere, travel friendly, I would say. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look on all the sides and talk about the connectivity ports you're getting on this model. Starting off from the left side, you're getting a full-sized HDMI port, a USB 3.2 Type A port is also there, Type-C port that also doubles up for your charging, and a tiny charging LED indicator is also there. Now there is nothing on the front side, and going to the other side, here you've got some more connectivity ports which include a micro SD card reader. This can be like very useful, guys, and you're getting one more Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack is also there, and one more USB Type A port is available. So these are all the available connectivity ports on this model, and here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like. As I've told you, entire body made of metal, and you see these tiny grills on the left and right corners. These are your stereo speakers, and we'll talk about the audio quality as well in a moment. And one more thing you'll have to observe is you see these tiny cutouts to the left and extreme right profiles of the laptop. I believe these are your air ducts, guys, like heat exhaust vents to keep the airflow going on over here, air circulation, and keep the system running cool. Anyways, let me quickly open it and show you how the interiors of the laptop look like. Man, the display looks gorgeous. The bezels are very thin over here. As I've told you, you're getting like a 15.6 inches full HD 1080p IPS level display, and bezels are very thin to the sides and top, but on the bottom you're having a bit of chin with the Inbook Y series logo to the left side. At the top you're getting a full HD 1080p 2 megapixel webcam with their signature dual LED starlight flash is also there. And that's it about the upper half section. And going to the lower half section, here's how the keyboard layout looks like. Let me just give you a closer look and share you my experience with the keyboard as well. The Y1 Plus features a white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and initial impressions, I kind of feel that the keyboard is slightly cramped because there's a lot of space on the left and right. I felt it could have been much more spacious. Anyways, keeping that aside, overall comfort part was pretty good. Keys were nice, keycaps were also good. I had a nice clicky and tactile experience while using it, and key travel was also decent. You were getting around like 1.5 mm key travel. Overall experience was nice, and good thing is it's also white LED backlit, right? And you can even adjust the brightness on the go using these function keys. And coming to the touchpad is the main highlight over here, guys. You're getting a premium AG glass touchpad, and look at the size of this thing. It's almost like 32% larger than a lot of other touchpad you would see on a laptop. Massive 6.36 inches size, and touchpad quality was really good. It was easily detecting all my inputs and gestures, multi gestures supported as well, and I didn't face any sorts of dead zones also while using. So overall pretty satisfactory experience with the keyboard and touchpad. Alright, let's talk about the crucial points of this laptop. Starting off with the display. As I've told you, you're getting a large 15.6 inches 1080p IPS level display, guys, and let me tell you, I'm being very honest, display quality on this laptop is like very good. I've reviewed so many laptops, budget laptops, even up to like 40,000 rupees, and most of the models out there definitely compromise on the display. You either get like a low resolution panel or it's not IPS, guys, and it's not that satisfactory when you're spending so much of amount. And this is not the first time we are checking out an Infinix laptop. I've reviewed like couple of models, guys, I think 4 or 5 variants, and all these laptops had like a fantastic display, especially considering the price point, only 23,990 rupees. So if you talk about the detail, great amount of detail. Come on, 1080p level, so there's nothing less you can expect. No matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be movies or web series, YouTube videos also, good amount of detail. Text looks crisp and clear. And talking about the colors are also great. The panel actually supports up to like 86-87% sRGB color gamut and was producing like beautiful looking colors, guys. For this price point, there is nothing you can complain over here. When you're watching movies or web series, like colors just look quite natural and really rich, and you'll be very happy and satisfied with the display over here. Brightness was also fine. It's got around like 250 nits of brightness, which is like enough for your day-to-day sort of usage. And if you talk about the viewing angles, again, viewing angles were great because it's an IPS level panel. Contrast and black levels were also decent. On the overall, for this price point, you'll be surely happy with the display on this laptop. And coming to the audio experience, as I've shown you in the video, you're getting like bottom firing stereo speakers, and audio experience was kind of mid, I would say. Like I've seen so many laptops, right? Instantly I can tell about the hardware quality, guys. So audio quality was fine. Matlab detail was there, good amount of dialogue clarity, vocals were easy to understand. Bass to tha nahi, don't even expect about that. Only thing I felt is audio output was a bit limited, guys. Wish it had like little bit more sound output. Now comes the fun part. Everybody is excited about this one, performance. So let me tell you, as I've told you, ours is the 8 plus 512 GB edition, and the Infinix Y1 Neo Plus actually packs Intel's 11th gen Celeron N5100 CPU. A lot of laptops that you get around like 25 to 30,000 rupees on Amazon or Flipkart, right? All of these are powered by Celeron only, guys. Mostly like 80% of them have Celeron, and that too they feature the 4000 series CPUs. This one actually packs a much newer, it's 11th gen edition, and comes with N5100 CPU. So the main benefit is it has 2 additional cores. So totally you're getting like 4 cores and 4 threads clocked up to like 2.8 gigahertz, and definitely offers like really good performance considering this price point. And one more fact I can actually tell you is this is like even better than Intel's 10th gen i3 CPU, guys. So that is one thing you can definitely keep in mind. So if you're using this laptop for like day-to-day sort of usage, maybe like home or office needs also, there's nothing you need to worry about. I've ran like 7 to 8 Chrome tabs parallelly at the same time, simultaneously. One of them had like YouTube video running 1080p wala, some of them had like websites open, Amazon, and a couple of other things running in the background. Nothing, I didn't face any sorts of lags or status. Everything was pretty fine. Though again, don't expect like gaming laptop wala performance. I don't compare this with like 50-60,000 rupees laptops. Nahi. For this price point, you will be like quite happy with the performance, I would say. And not only that, you can even do like like your MS Office related works, no sweat. And yes, you can even do like a little bit of photo editing, and basic video editing is also possible. Don't expect like graphics, animations and all that. नहीं, मतलब basic cut paste वाला editing हो जाएगा. So that is something you can definitely do over here. And if you ask about the gaming performance, yeah, this is not a gaming laptop. You can't game on a 25,000 rupees laptop, so that is out of the question. But basic wale casual games you can obviously play, but not GTA 5. This is not possible on these models. So that's it about the performance section, I would say. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. So on board you're getting like a 40 watt hour battery, and I've been using it for the last 1 week, right? And to be honest, I was not that impressed with the battery life, guys. This is the only segment I was like not that happy. So thing is, now on a day-to-day sort of usage, like casually browsing the web at around 60% brightness, and watching couple of videos, YouTube videos, and also doing like basic MS Office sort of applications, you will only get around like 3.5 to 4 hours of max battery life. And if you do like even more intensive applications like Adobe Photoshop, you can only expect around like 3 hours of battery life. So that's the only thing. But again, good thing is it does support fast charging. It supports 45 watt type C fast charging, so that's at least one positive thing in the battery segment. And that is pretty much it, guys. Our complete review on Infinix Inbook Y1 Plus Neo, affordable category laptop from the brand. It's like a very good overall package, I would say. You're getting a premium metal body, look and feel is nice. You're getting a beautiful 1080p level IPS display. Performance is also pretty good. Webcam quality is also like decent for this price. And it's like a total package, guys, except the battery life. So if you talk about the pricing details, basic variant 8 plus 256GB edition costs around like 23,990 rupees, and the bigger brother 8 plus 512GB edition costs around like 25,990 rupees. So I'll leave links to these laptops in the description box below. You can check it out there. And apart from that, share your thoughts, like what do you people think about this laptop in the comment section down below. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.